Ready? So you can hold onto all three. Go ahead, sit on down. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Alright, we'll see ya.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, shit!
We are on our way to what?
Hawaii.
Hawaii, Tatiana?
Yes, it's gonna be fun.
Jared, Hawaii or what?
Hawaii.
Hey.
Well, another name for Hawaii is a Honolulu.
Tatiana, that's just, yeah. Tatiana, you ready or what?
I'm ready. It's the first time we're gonna have the best family vacation that's ever been.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
$12, something like that. $15. Yeah. It was cheap.
Alright, you guys, we're on our way to baggage claim.
So, before we go over to the something over there, we're gonna get our car seats and daddy's and mom's suitcase. This is gonna be the best vacation. We're gonna love this day. Wait, no, I'm gonna love all 7 days that we're gonna have here.
Alright, you guys, we're about to get our bags and just, yeah, we're gonna take you on this journey of experiencing what we haven't experienced. Let's go. About to go down and get something to eat, some breakfast, and well, all right.
My camera looks so cute.
Look at this, all right.
Yeah, what about me?
Look at Jared, okay. Tatiana, fashionable.
Daddy, let's stop that. Oh, anyways, Mom, can you hold the camera so you can? Mom, can you hold the camera so you can show me and Daddy shorts? We got
fashionable.
See, oh snap.
This is what we do. All right. Let me sit down here. Get ready. Listen, you guys, first day. We went zip lining, okay? My son went first, okay? My heart was beating, okay? You ready, Jared?
All right, spin you around. There we go. All right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey! I'm a little scared to go by myself. He looked it pretty fine. Next, my daughter went. Tatiana!
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Dang. She's a daredevil. I already knew she was gonna do it. With her, she'll be fine. My wife, listen, my wife, she had to go before me. I'm pretty sure she got the life scared out of her.
I'm not ready.
Ready?
No, I am not. We'll see you on the other side.
When I went, crazy. It was crazy. My heart was beating like out of my chest, all right? When she said, hey, are you ready? You ready to go? And everybody was laughing at my response.
Ready?
It was serious, okay? The level of...
Ready to go?
I'm ready.
Alright, we'll see ya.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, snap!
All right. to step on up there for me? She's having a blast.
I know, going backwards ain't no joke. All right, so this is the end. We came, we saw, we conquer. Now we got to conquer these steps. It was super long. Like these steps were just going up and up and up and up. And after zip lining, man, that thing was tired. It was tiring. It was way to end off zip lining, you guys, huh?
Daddy.
Yes.
Right here.
Not again, these steps. So today we're waking up, we're taking a trip to the beach, right? And then we're gonna ride these big little green I don't know what they are, but today is real. Listen, let me tell you guys about what happened to me. A little embarrassing. First off, yesterday we went to the beach. I had my do-rag on. Just doing what's easier. That's all you trying to do. Trying to do the Poppy Blasted little challenge. You know, he did a video on Instagram, basically having his waves tied up. You know what I mean? He took off, he did the unragging, basically showing off his waves in front of the beach. As to say, I'm bringing my waves to the beach. The beach ain't bringing the waves to me. At least that's the way I took it. So I went to the beach with my do-rag on, attempting to do the same thing. You know what I mean? I just wanted to be that guy. See, the thing that happened was my daughter and my son, and my wife, they wanted me to go in the pool, see? So then I was like, dang, they having so much fun. Let me go into the pool, see? And then we were just having a blast. We were just having a total blast. And then, you know, my do-rag was still on. And then we went to the other side of the beach. You know what I mean? I was just chilling, you know, man, my do-rag was on, you know? So I went home and I took off my do-rag, and you know, I had like different color shading of skin, tan line, so heavy right here, and it wasn't right here. Yesterday I tanned my forehead, so you could kind of still see it, like right here. You can see the tan line right here. Listen, do not go anywhere where the sun is just beaming and you got your rag on. Don't do it, okay? Alright, so before we get to the beach though, there's one thing I gotta say. You can't bring the waves. I mean, how am I supposed to say it? It's when you bring the waves to the ocean. Come on now. Come on now.
That's cool.
You can't just come to the beach without bringing the waves though. Hey, guess what? As we're on the beach, you know what I mean? A little kid came up to me and was like, hey, aren't you 360 Jeezy? I was like, what? In Hawaii?
Wave to the camera. And the family.
What do you want to do, the ocean view or the beach view? Ocean view? Yeah, no problem.
Now I'm about to look you up, man.
And he says he's not on YouTube all the time. We're like, oh, you're on YouTube all the time.
I'm global. Nah, but the kid was real cool. Family was real cool. They came up to me. I ended up getting a picture with him and everything. And it was dope, man. It's just dope to see how far my name has gotten out here. You know what I mean? So that definitely was real dope.
He probably is.
So after that, what else happened? We went snorkeling. I mean, I'm almost drowned a couple of times. But other than that, had a good time. Check it out. We went parasailing though. Me and my daughter went parasailing. My son, I couldn't get him on the ride. You had to be 70 pounds. Okay, my son is 5, 41 pounds. All right, you had to be 70 pounds, so he couldn't get on it. But me and my daughter did. It was dope, man. Dope experience. All right, you guys, last day in Hawaii, Honolulu. It's over. I'm looking forward to going home. I haven't dropped a video in a whole week. I was out here living it up. We did a lot of things, okay? I can tell you that. We did a lot of things. But I'm happy to go home, especially because we riding first class on the way back.
Okay. I'll leave you guys a dinner menu. Okay. So just choose appetizer, entree, because you're going to take your order. Okay.
Listen, you guys, it's hot out here. It's hot. It's humid. The what are they called? Flies?
Yeah.
Flies are attacking my legs. Okay, my poor little legs. Flies are basically eating me up. We got ATV in out here. This is the ATV track. We're probably not gonna go on that, but we're probably gonna go some more hiking or something like that to some ATV, some zip lining. I'll see you guys there.